Guys, I can't believe it's already been a month of trading on the eval. My trading has improved significantly in the recent trading week, and I literally went from break-even trader to being profitable. On top of that, I just had my best week trading on my new prop firm evaluation account. Today, I really want to share with you guys something that I realized this week that many other beginners fail to realize. And that's improving your intuition. Intuition, by Google's definition, it is the ability to understand something immediately without the need for conscious reasoning. Now, I feel like this is something that just hit me this week while I was trading. There were a couple moments when my intuition told me not to get into a trade, and this happened multiple times this past week, allowing me to avoid these bad trades that I would have gotten stopped out of. Then I wondered to myself, what contributed to developing my intuition to take better entries and not jump into a losing one? How did I foresee that these trades would not have worked out? Wow, I then realized this is all because of my screen time trading every single day, showing up to the market and reviewing what mistakes I made that day. Just take a look at my results for these past weeks. You can clearly see that I have more winning days and bigger profits. Keep in mind that these trading days have the same position size of trading 2 micros on NQ futures. I honestly believe that I am sort of having this aha moment thanks to my developed intuition with the amount of screen time that I have. Now, of course, having a month green doesn't mean I finally made it in trading or consistently profitable yet. It is one of the milestones that I really wanted to achieve, and I still have a lot to learn about myself and the market. But the point I wanted to make in today's video is that beginner traders fail to see that they will get better in trading over time if they just commit to showing up to learn instead of making money. This was a pitfall that I fell into when I got back into trading last year in August. I was hooked on getting back to trading just to make money, and because of this mindset, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't taken learning trading seriously and I just blew multiple evals and funded accounts. This led me to being very frustrated at myself, blaming the market for being choppy and not being in my favor. Now that I look back, I feel like everyone should go through this phase and will go through it because we are all trading for the money. I mean, why else would you be trading if we're not looking for that financial freedom through trading? With all that said, how did I manage to increase my win rate and stay consistently profitable all of a sudden after trading for about 6 months? First, forget about making money. I'm serious. Just forget that you're in for the money. Truly believe that you're here for the long game, like attending a university, and you're here to learn and improve 1% a day. Setting my mind in this mode has led me to improve significantly faster than I should have, since my primary focus has shifted to learning the market instead of making the money. Second, treat every single trading day seriously and show up to trade no matter what. Unless you're dying. I'm not saying you have to place a trade every day, but you should at least be observing the market for 1 to 2 hours depending on your strategy and waiting for the setup that you're working on. My schedule looks something like this. I normally wake up at 6 a.m. Pacific time since market opens at 6:30 and begin preparing for the session, which is just looking at the news, marking out support and resistance on a higher time frame, and once the market opens, I sometimes don't even place a trade until 7 or 7:30 a.m. since there is no setup. After you trade, make sure to go back to your trades and review them right away since the trades are fresh in your head and you know why you executed. And I share all my trades in my shorts anyways, so doing this has significantly helped me identify where I could have improved and do better next time. Folks, it's just honestly like going to school and taking a test. If you take an exam and get something wrong, the only way you're going to solve it correctly the next time is by reviewing your mistakes. The principle is the same in trading. How would you ever get better if you don't know what you're doing wrong? And lastly, Screw all the haters and negativity. Recently, I've been growing my Instagram by posting my trades every single day. And since I'm being transparent and I post all my losses and my wins regardless of how embarrassing they may be, I've been getting a tremendous amount of negative comments and all these pro social media traders trying to give advice. Don't get me wrong, I also receive a lot of positive DMs and constructive feedback. But I found that blocking out the negativity in life, and especially especially not comparing yourself on social media, is the best way to improve your trading. Just stick with your plan, stick with your strategy and what you know, and keep studying each day and believe that you're going to make it, because you already did in your future. I highly recommend checking out this video if you want to know what non-trading concept made me profitable. As always, thanks for watching. Peace.